General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. Let's keep this thing rolling. What's next in the study is the midweek. Confirm or revise the anchor status. I was thinking when we retook Tuesday, high on Wednesday. Was this a New York reversal as well? Yep. Also note it was an NY reversal profile as well. The midweek will also be 10-15. I was looking for sales to target Tuesday low. I remember that because I was doing it on paper trade, shifts in framework, hit rate. It was a choppy week. By Wednesday, we didn't hit the higher time frame key level. I kind of knew we was trading in choppy conditions. What's a high quality? Recognizing conditions and switching to eval or paper trade or small risk scalps. Okay, cool. Time frame context review. Last week was a large range week. So I was expecting choppy conditions all week due to that filter. Expansion and mitigation signals. order of delivery kind of helped out. And noticing price is just swinging from buy side to sell side. Decision quality, I think in low probability conditions, you really gotta trade the key times of the day. Let's see if it let me get away with that. Otherwise, prices just hold it for news. How was the accuracy? It was not a factor because it wasn't a one shot, one kill week. By midweek, you can say the Thursday trade was one shot, one kill, but it was kind of easy. It was because the week was choppy, and Wednesday kind of pushed on Thursday. By Thursday, really just targeting inefficiencies. Experiences says noticing the week and anticipating the week's conditions. Get better with that. Case study vault reference. Chop week reference. And I seen on Twitter where Kish, the currency merchant, my mentor, he was like, if you trading and you find a good trades in this environment, pat yourself on the back. And that was real. All right, cool. That handles the recording for the midweek segment. Peace. Okay, let's knock out the next portion. Next portion of study. So this will be the 16th. 10, 16, 25. Let's go here. Let's see if this works. Hold on, wait, that's wrong. It did. Here we go, Thursday. Monday's going up. We already hit that. So now we mad because we want sales. And we got puts. We got bullish SMT on YM. Now we really mad. We ran the Wednesday high. And what's this? Lunch? Melted for lunch. It's getting close to the end of the day. Here we go. And we didn't close again. Now we angry. Now we look and we like, no, that's not one shot, one kill. That's not. It's not the model. The model's from here to like here. This could have been a model if maybe we was targeting something up here. This is range theory, sweeping both sides of ranges. So here we go. What is this? It's expansion. It's clear too. You can't really say it's unclear. It's manipulation. Here we engaged, because that was too easy to read. And it was high. Confident. We've seen all this stuff. The Wednesday high was reran on Thursday, and price melted. Good trade, but bad delivery from a higher time frame perspective. Here it's playing out. And no, the terminate was a hit. Terminus. Let's go here. And we're gonna do this because it wasn't like that type of week. And let's go here. Awkward. Because we took the high and low of the previous day and closed around Monday EQ. Still looking for that low. And I think that low came funky. So if you was doing it on options, you would have missed it because it's like London. So it's like a future trade. So here, Tuesday high, you could be like, all right, let me target it. Or Wednesday high, you can get a put for Tuesday low. Still probably make good money. You have the bankroll to get the end of money or just perfect strike price. Let's see that. Let's go here. I think that started the next day. Let's go to hour chart. This is where we at the close of Thursday. Give me an arrow. This is like a trend line. And we just wicked both of them. Let's put some dashes on this. Dots maybe? Okay, that looks good. Okay, this is where we at Thursday. Hanging out at Monday EQ. And still wanting this low. Until I've been sitting there. Oh, go Control Z. There we go. That's better. All right, ugly Thursday, but good trade day. Sometimes that lower time frame is cool with narrative. You know how we swept the high and low Wednesday, but did not close through either level. All right, so that was the sign to watch this range. Put a trend line here. Let's give it a cool color or something. Okay, let's go to the daily. Here we are, still in this atrocious week. Still super ugly. Hold on, wait. That was Friday. Let's go one day. All right, here we go. This is what we did last week on NASDAQ. Nothing. Weird way to close. Definitely a scalper week where you just look for 50 points and move around. Let's go here. Let's go look at here. Now let's see. I should be able to continue on like I was. Let's see if it works. Oh snap, we in there. We got us a workflow. Shout out to TradingView. Silver Asia, we just chill. Look like we took this high here. And we did. Let's change this color. That'll work. Okay, London. We came back to that range. I'm surprised we didn't sweep that range low. And we just pumped. Silver is like, we ain't stunning none of the, let's see if London close do it. Okay, we in PM session. It's almost done today. Those fibs, man. Those fibs be it. I need to make one of the commercials like Zusi and be like, look at my level hit in advance. How would I know this level if I didn't know the algorithm? That's funny. Why is it taking so long to get my links? I don't know who took that money out of my account for that bill. Okay. No, silver. Didn't sweep the range low. It used range EQ. Again, that's the key takeaway. We did sweep Asia liquidity and hit field projection target. Let's go here. So we still got more levels up here. Fib showing up for work. Range EQ showing up for work. Rebalanced imbalance showing up for work. This rebalance here, if I just say where there are no down candle bodies, it'll be right there. It's inefficient. I know. I was like, what's going on here? Nothing. This is what I was like. I was like, I want to buy right here. That would have been a nice spot too. Wishful thinking. Let's take that off. Okay. Yep. At the universal, boom. This is our today. We came back here and just expanded. Broke above this. We kind of reused this high when we came back here. Then we broke above this and we reused this high and then came up here. We can make this yellow. This. Key takeaway here is how we use once we break and close above them. Silver and gold. I think ICT trading at all-time high. Video is going to be big all year. Just how we like down candle closing price. That probably was the trades. Here, down candle closing price here. Retested it and used it as support. Like those are the key levels I'm gonna have to start looking at for silver. Premium wicks. Premium wicks broke up here, dug into it. This is a gap. Yeah, that's how it's gonna have to be the trade style or approach. This is Friday. I need Thursday. Wednesday, Thursday here. Closed above, flat top, strong. Flat top and strong. Now we gotta watch this week. But I think Friday was the reversal or the It's weekly open here. Solid blue, thicker, straight line. Here, open up the week. Boom. Super bullish week. And so far, Monday is the low. Closed above. Range expansion. Look at how strong the bullish candle closed. That's amazing. Slash. Let's go here, 15. Okay. We'll go. Asia's pumping, going crazy. London don't even look like it take Asia high. We're using this suspension block though. Just an ugly day. London closed. Then we pumped. Ugh, terrible. Okay. Terrible delivery. We didn't do a swell sale. Didn't do a sell side sweep. We just flipped the suspension block and pushed up a little. This was a scoot day. Price just scooted. Just a little bit. Just a tad. It scooted up the chart. Okay. Here we are. Okay, we got this low resistance liquidity right here, but I think Friday is but we're setting up. We're setting up for some cool stuff. Flip the suspension block. Is this still? Yep, it is. Let's flip the suspension. Block looks like, and use DQ to give a push up. Even though price looks low, that was a logical trade setup. Gotta step back. When in doubt, zoom out. See what we got on a daily. So, I'm gonna drink this water. I'm gonna drink up all my coffee. It's a good study session now. Okay. One more thing. Close up to this candle. This is parent bar low. All right. Key takeaway here is how we use parent bar low to push up. This is setting up for a good swing as well for the Bulls. Did the framework play out? Yep. Then I learned about patterning myself. Really, that you gotta stick with your delivery. Things will change as far as work, schedule, and time for trading. But if you stick to your deliveries, you can still function and get the best move of the week. Every week, and take home 2%. What will I watch for tomorrow? TGI. It's Friday. Friday is odd. I want to only look for TGIF on Friday. Don't want to be in the market all the time. But I only want to be in the market during high probability conditions. Okay. All right, that concludes the recording for the Thursday.